still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you what I've packed in my case for Canada. I'm mostly packed. I just have to do like the toiletries and stuff that I'm still going to be using. But everything else I think is in there. I just need to decide on a few things. So I thought I'd show you now. And then we'll just be adding things as I think of them, and like makeup and things like that I've not done yet. But this is my suitcase. It's full, that's why it looks heavy. We got it from TK Maxx. It was £80. It is by the brand Calpark. Yeah, I guess I've packed everything in here, and I thought I'd do it backwards to the way John's done it. So John's filmed kind of putting it in, and I'm going to take everything out and show you what's in there, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's do that. I do want to start off by showing you the dress I've picked for my brother's wedding though. This is it. It is navy blue. It's got some beading just on the mesh bit there. What brand is it by? That's the brand. Little Mistress. I actually got this on Vinted. I tried a few dresses on that I bought from like Next and places like that. Hated them. And then this is what I went for. So that's the dress. Then to go with that dress, I've picked out these shoes. These are a regular choice. They've got like a glass heel, which I think is so cool. I've worn these before. They're quite comfortable. The only problem with these shoes, because I do love them, they need a bit of a clean up, but I do love them, and they've got a big bow on the front. The only problem with these shoes is they've got absolutely zero grip on the bottom there, so I'm gonna have to be careful. And then I'll probably take black flats or something like that to chuck on if I need to, and tights because it's going to be cold, so I've got some tights to go with that. But yeah, that's one outfit done. We're gonna have to move down now so I can open my case up and show you. Okay, while you can see them just on the bed there, I'm gonna show you some of my shoe options. I'm still deciding, but these ankle Tims probably are coming. I still need to just wear them in a little bit more, but they're comfy enough if I need to take them. So they've got a good grip obviously, and they're probably the only kind of boot I'm gonna take. And then I have like a million pairs of trainers, a million, so deciding what to take is tricky. These are the ones I wear all the time, so they're filthy. These are Air Force ones. Maybe they're quite comfortable. They're not the best for like walking because they're flat, but maybe. So maybe these ones. I just really love these Pumas and I don't get enough wear out of them. So I was thinking maybe I'll take them, but again, these are really, really flat and not a lot of grip on the bottom there. But maybe those ones. But obviously I don't need both pairs of those because they're just white trainers, so we'll see. And then I wanted like a proper trainer, so I was thinking maybe these? I don't know. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And then I think I'm going to take like a black pump in case I want to wear like dresses and whatnot, so we'll see. Yeah, I'll definitely have to take some kind of like flat shoe because I don't want to wear heels every time I want to wear a dress, and I've packed some dresses. So I've got most things in these packing cubes that I got from Amazon. They're linked in our store. This one has got underwear, so we don't need to be showing that. I got these two hats. I've got a couple of woolly hats. These are the two I'm packing. This one by Lipsy. Should I put it on? And this one is, I want to say it's New Look or River Island. New Look. This one's like a beanie version. So those two. I don't really like hats and gloves and things like that, but if I'm going to need them, I think. So these are some older packing cubes, but they're still really good. These are ones we bought for Disney World, but we're using them obviously. And this has got t-shirts in it, so I've picked up a couple of long sleeve t-shirts because Canada's obviously going to be cold. Just with this one's a blue one. I've got a couple of black ones from all different places really, and then I'm just taking some of my favourite kind of t-shirts that I wear all the time. We're going to spread our stuff out. We've got a case each and then a spare case, so we're going to spread our things out over that. This one has got some dresses. I'll just show you the dresses that I'm taking. It's going to be cold in Canada, but I think with like a cardigan or a jumper and some tights I'll be okay. So this one, everything's going to need ironing when I get there anyway. This one is from Shein. Super pretty. It's got a tassel that's probably a little bit worse for wear, but the pattern on it's really pretty, so taking that one. These two I have worn before in Disney World. They're both quite light, but like I said, with a jumper and some tights I think they'll be okay. This is just a black dress with no sleeves and some ruffles. And then this one I've packed, but I don't know when I'm going to wear it, but I haven't worn it at home yet. So it's a red, it's obviously a red dress. Super pretty frill at the bottom. I'm not displaying these properly, but if you want to see them on, you can check out the vlogs. And the back of it is sheer, so I don't know if that's going to be very, very chilly. Well, it will be very, very chilly, but I don't know. But I'm taking it anyway, just in case. The thing that's so good about these packing cubes is they've got the like straps to keep everything in. It's so easy. Okay, that's that done. I've packed 2 pairs of jeans. Can you see them there? Yeah, 2 pairs of jeans. One is Levi's, one is just from Asda, like the George brand, but they're some of my favourite jeans. So there's a little toiletries bag there with like face wipes and my razor and things like that in it, ready to go. Oh, and some deodorant. I had to buy new deodorant. I'm taking this Spirit jersey. I've got a few. This is the one I've decided to take. So it's for Harmonious, so the symbol is the Harmonious Epcot symbol, and then on the back it's got Harmonious across the back and all of the bright colours. I find when I'm going for a Spirit jersey, this is the one I lean towards, and I think it'll be nice with some like leggings and stuff, and I've packed a few pairs of leggings, so that'll come in handy to put on. It's just comfy, aren't they? So I've packed a jumpsuit. I was going to wear this on travel day and then realised how annoying it's going to be if I wear this on travel day, especially because our travel day is so long. Like getting in and out of it on a plane, not fun. But it is like a t-shirt style. It's got pockets, which is nice, and then it goes down to a cuff at the bottom there, so I definitely will wear it. Maybe I'll wear it pre-travel day. We're going into London on pre-travel day, so maybe it'll be nice for that actually, with a jacket. I'm packing a gilet, or a gillet, whatever you want to call it. I think it's a gilet, which is a tog one that I don't have packed yet. On to jumpers and things like that. I'm packing my NASA Kennedy Space Center hoodie. Again, this is just one of my favourite ones. It's so cozy and comfy to wear, so I might as well wear things I'm going to enjoy wearing when I'm there. I've got a Tog 24 coat. It's the same as John's, I think, except I think John's is black and mine is navy. So it's just a navy coat. Apparently, these coats wrap up so small that they go into this pocket here. I don't know how to do it though. How? Should we give it a go? Oh, no way. I'm saying no way, I'm only halfway there, but it does feel like it might fit. Oh, that's going to save so much space. Oh, there probably is a better way to do this. I'm just rolling a scrunch in and I'm going to be so impressed if this all fits into that one pocket. No way. It did as well. Well, that makes that nice and easy. It probably could even go in my hand luggage if I wanted it to now. But maybe I could do that and pack my gilet. Anyway, that's my coat, and how funny. It's not a very comfortable pillow, but it could be a pillow if you wanted it to. This is all leggings and bottoms, and I've picked up some thermal, like, fleecy leggings. They're just black, but they've got like a fleecy lining. And then I've got some more sports kind of ones for hiking and stuff like that. So that's boring. They're mostly black. I think I've got one navy pair and a maroon pair, but black is more versatile, isn't it? This is the other jumper I'm taking. Oh, picked this one up in Norway. It's got a moose on it. We're hoping to see a moose, obviously. It's just a different colour than black. And it'll be nice, and it's fleecy and it's warm. Oh, it's got a nice little arm detail there as well. So that's that. This cardigan. I'm only taking one cardigan, and it's this one. So we'll probably be seeing this a fair few times in the vlogs, because I do like a cardigan. This is from George. It's got pockets. It's oversized. I just think it'll look nice thrown over like a really basic leggings and t-shirt outfit. And also, like, if I want to wear the jumpsuit, things like that. And it's fairly neutral. It's like a dark grey, so it'll go with everything. And like, even over the dresses, it might be nice. Maybe I should pack another cardigan. I don't know. But at the moment, this is the only one I've packed. And then the only other thing in there is like socks and pyjamas. This is a bit of a weird angle, but it's what we're dealing with. Obviously, I'm not packing my makeup yet because I might want to wear it. But this is the bag I'm hoping to take. Obviously, it won't be as full as it is now because some of the things won't go in there. But it's a goofy one that John's mum bought me. And it says, "Life's too short to always be serious." So I've popped perfume in there. So this one's the one I bought at Cabot Circus. It's the Marc Jacobs Daisy Dream. So it's just a little bottle of that. I'll probably just take that one, to be honest, but maybe this one as well. This is a Next perfume, and it's A Day in the Clouds, and I really like this one. So maybe, but I don't think I need two, especially with like duty free and stuff like that. And I was thinking maybe in London I would pick up a perfume, so I probably won't take two. I'll probably just take the Daisy one. I've got some little elastics, some little hair elastics for like little ponies and stuff like that I do quite a lot, and my ones are a little bit thicker, and now my hair is shorter, I don't need quite as thick ones, so, and they're easy to just chuck in when they're in a little bag like that. Some Carmex because it's going to be probably cold, and I'll get chapped lips, so I got that one. This one's the cherry one. I haven't had this one before, but it's got an SPF 15 in it. Should we open it? I've already opened it. See what it smells like. Oh, it smells like cherries. Oh, it smells like, oh, it's got a really nostalgic smell actually. I can't remember what it smells like. But yeah, that probably will go in my hand luggage. I got some Invisibobbles. I've got some regular hair ties as well. Treated myself yesterday to a Tangle Teezer because I don't think I want to take my big paddle brush. Especially like now my hair is shorter, this will probably do it. Oh yeah, that's easy, isn't it? My hair a little brush while we're here. And then I'll just take like a rounded brush for when I'm styling. I'm going to take my GHDs as well. They don't take up any room. So yeah, I got the pink one. I picked up a new dry shampoo. This one is by Revolution Hair. I like Revolution makeup, so I figure I will like it. Onto the makeup-y bits. You'll see a lot of like drugstore makeup because I think it just does fine. So I've got the Revolution powder. I'll take that one. I get a really oily like nose and that area, so it's good to have the powders. These two blushes, they're both by Collection. This one is Cheeky and this one is Peach. Obviously I use this one a lot more than this one, but this one's more subtle and I like that. So I'll take both of those depending how I feel. This is just another base powder, but I use it to like not necessarily contour but just add a little bit of warmth to my face. This is a freckle pen. I hardly ever use it, so I don't know why I'm taking it, but what if I want freckles, you know? I do have freckles, but then I cover them up with makeup. So these are the two foundations I'm taking. I'm taking this one, which is Wet n Wild, and that is in the shade, what shade are you? This is in the shade Soft Ivory. And then I thought this one was going to be too dark when it arrived, but it actually isn't too bad. So it's Elf, and it's in the shade Vanilla, I think. Yeah, Vanilla. And they don't look too... This one does look quite a lot darker, but it isn't too bad like once you've put it on. So I'm taking both of those. Got an eyeliner. Again, I very rarely wear eyeliner, but you never know. These two liquid products by Revolution. This one is obviously a blush. It's a little bit darker than the other two blushes, so sometimes I put it on underneath my foundation and then build on top of that. And then this is a liquid bronze. The colour of these does come, they're quite pigmented, so you have to be really careful with those, but I'm taking both of those. I'm packing this just in case. It's not my favourite, but it is good for touch-ups. Eyebrow mascara one thing, and actual mascara one thing. Concealer I'm halfway through using, and then a brand new concealer. I like both of these. Let me put those down. I like both of these. I've been using this one because I've started it, but I do really like the Revolution one as well. Another eyebrowy thing. And the last thing I've popped in here is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'll probably pack a liquid primer as well because it's nice to have options. I do like this one, but I don't enjoy applying it, if that makes sense. Like, you have to like dig into it, and I don't like that, but it feels nice once it's on, so I do like that one. But yeah, that's all of my makeup bits as well, so I can't really think of anything else that needs to go in there, but I'm sure I will. And I've definitely probably forgotten something, so yeah, let me know what you would pack if you were going somewhere cold and what I've forgotten. It'll be too late by the time you let me know what I've forgotten, but it'll be good to know that everyone else would have remembered it. I hope you enjoyed this pack with me. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.